Hey gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best dash cam front and rear that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6. In our list, the number 6 product name is Garmin Cam 57. When it comes to capturing every detail of your drive, the Garmin Cam 57 is my go-to choice. Compact yet powerful, it records in stunning 1440p high definition with a wide 140-degree field of view, ensuring every moment is captured clearly. Thanks to the built-in GPS and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, it provides precise location and crisp visuals day and night. Moreover, its voice control feature makes it super easy to operate without taking your hands off the wheel. Whether it's saving a clip, snapping a photo, or stopping audio, spoken commands handle it all. Plus, it seamlessly connects to Wi-Fi, automatically saving videos to Garmin's secure online vault for easy access later. One standout feature is the parking guard, which monitors your car when parked and sends alerts to your phone if it detects any incidents. Additionally, the live view monitoring allows remote access via the Garmin Drive app, offering peace of mind even when you're away from your car. However, I appreciate the driver alerts like forward collision and lane departure warnings that promote safer driving. The device is also built to last, tolerating harsh sunlight and extreme temperatures, making it ideal for all climates. Pros: compact and discreet design with easy dashboard mounting, high-quality 1440p and video, and 140-degree wide-angle lens. Voice control in multiple languages for hands-free operation, parking guard, and live view features for enhanced security. Durable enough for extreme weather conditions. Cons: live view monitoring requires constant power and Wi-Fi connection. Voice control is limited to specific languages. Certain driver alerts may not function in all conditions or regions. Number 5. In our list, the number 5 product name is Cobra Smart Cam SC201. When safety and convenience are a priority, the Cobra Smart Cam SC201 has me covered. This dashcam offers full HD 1080p resolution for both the front and interior views, complete with an infrared LED camera for crystal clear footage, even at night. Whether for daily commutes or road trips, it's a reliable companion. Additionally, the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make this device smarter and more connected. Real-time alerts for red lights, speed cameras, and traffic ensure I stay ahead of potential hazards. The Drive Smarter app adds convenience by allowing me to view live footage, access incident reports, and even plan trips with detailed traffic information. What sets this dash cam apart is the heads-up navigation and shared alert system. With on-screen navigation prompts, I never miss a turn, and connecting with the Drive Smarter community ensures I'm aware of live alerts shared by other drivers. It's an excellent blend of technology and community. Moreover, the incident reports and emergency mayday features are lifesavers. In the event of an accident, I can instantly send event details and footage to my insurer, and emergency contacts are notified automatically if needed. This dual functionality gives me peace of mind while driving. Pros: dual cameras for front and interior views with infrared capability, real-time traffic alerts, and live notifications from the drive. Number 4. In our list, the number 4 product name is Cobra SC400D-Cam. When it comes to capturing every detail on the road, the Cobra SC400D-Cam is my ultimate choice. With UHD 4K resolution, it delivers 4 times the clarity of 1080p, ensuring every moment, front and rear, is crystal clear, day or night. What's more, its 3-camera capability gives me complete coverage. The included front and rear cameras record simultaneously, and there's an option to add a cabin view camera for full 360-degree protection inside and out. Plus, the 3-inch touchscreen makes navigating features like live police alerts and GPS simple and intuitive. Additionally, I love the Drive Smarter app for instant incident reports and emergency Mayday alerts. In case of an accident, my emergency contact is notified automatically, a feature that brings peace of mind. However, the hardwire setup required for remote live view might take extra effort, and the system is most effective with a reliable internet connection. Pros: UHD 4K video resolution for stunning clarity. 3-camera capability for comprehensive coverage. Alexa built-in and live police alerts. Emergency Mayday for added safety. Cons: hardwire setup needed for remote live view. Relies on Wi-Fi for certain features. Number 3. In our list, the number 3 product name is 70Mi Dash Cam. When it comes to advanced dash cams, the 70Mi A810 is an absolute game-changer. Its true 4K video quality, powered by the IMX678 Starvis 2 sensor and MyColor Vivid Plus solution, ensures every detail is captured with unmatched clarity and color accuracy, even in low-light conditions. This makes it my top pick for both day and night driving. Additionally, the dual HDR Super Night Vision capability makes nighttime footage crystal clear. Whether it's the front or rear camera, I can trust it to deliver exceptional recordings. It also features seamless integration with its smart app, making video management and GPS tracking effortless, while adding vital driving data like speed and location. What sets it apart is the ADAS and parking monitor system, which offers real-time alerts for potential hazards and 24/7 surveillance with AI motion detection. With time-lapse recording and emergency notifications, I can always stay informed and secure, whether I'm driving or parked. Moreover, the optional 4G module elevates security by enabling remote access and instant notifications for unusual activities around my vehicle. Combined with loop recording and an emergency button, it ensures that critical footage is never lost. Pros: stunning 4K video with exceptional night vision, real-time ADAS alerts for safer driving, 24/7 parking surveillance with AI motion detection GPS tracking for comprehensive driving data, optional 4G module for enhanced remote access. Number 2. In our list, the number 2 product name is Miofive S1 Ultra Dash Cam. When it comes to reliable and clear recording, the Miofive S1 Ultra Dash Cam is my ultimate choice. With its 4K plus 4K dual recording capability, this dash cam captures every detail from the front and rear, ensuring ultra-high-definition visuals for complete peace of mind. Its advanced polarizer and 8-megapixel sensor provide crystal-clear footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. Moreover, connecting to the dash cam has never been easier, thanks to its dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Using the intuitive app, I can preview, download, and manage videos instantly, making it effortless to stay on top of my recordings. At night, the advanced night vision technology stands out, with wide-angle lenses and large apertures ensuring sharp footage, no matter how dark the surroundings. The 140-degree front and 112-degree rear viewing angles cover a wide field for maximum safety. However, I appreciate that the dash cam is built to last, with a supercapacitor and excellent heat dissipation that ensure consistent performance in extreme conditions. The 24-hour parking mode with GPS tracking further adds to its utility, keeping my car secure even when parked. Pros: genuine 4K plus 4K recording for unmatched clarity, convenient app control with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, robust build with a supercapacitor for longevity. Cons: parking mode requires a hardwire kit, sold separately. Rear camera has a slightly narrower field of view, 112 degrees. Number 1. In our list, the number 1 product name is VIOFO A229 Pro Dash Cam. When I needed a reliable dash cam for my car, the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR dash cam stood out. With dual Starvis 2 sensors, this device delivers stunning 4K front and 2K rear recording quality, ensuring clear footage of every detail, whether it's a license plate or a scenic view. Additionally, the HDR technology combined with advanced night vision provides exceptional clarity in low-light conditions. Whether driving at night or through shadowy areas, this dash cam captures balanced highlights and shadows seamlessly. What impressed me even more is its voice control feature. With just a few simple commands, I can lock videos, capture photos, or toggle Wi-Fi without taking my hands off the wheel. This level of hands-free convenience makes driving safer and stress-free. The 24-hour parking mode is another standout feature. It offers multiple recording options, like event detection and time-lapse, ensuring my vehicle is always monitored. Plus, the built-in GPS adds location and speed tracking, making it incredibly useful for trip reviews or evidence collection. Pros: crystal clear 4K plus 2K resolution with HDR for day and night use. Voice commands for hands-free operation. Durable supercapacitor for extreme weather conditions. Cons: parking modes require an additional hardwire kit, sold separately. SD card not included, requiring a separate purchase. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Bye.